Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking asparagus, and I've got a long list of foods in different categories that are known to pair well with asparagus. So if you're looking for something different to do with the asparagus that you have and looking for ideas, hopefully this will help you out in some way. In the arena of protein foods, including nuts and seeds, I have bacon, beans, eggs, nuts, peanuts and peanut sauce, pine nuts, prosciutto, salmon, sesame, and tofu. Those are all known to pair well with asparagus. Now in the way of vegetables, we've got artichokes and artichoke hearts, arugula, bell peppers, corn, fennel, greens as in green salads, leeks, mushrooms, onions, peas, potatoes, shallots, spinach, tomatoes, and watercress. In the way of fruits, we know that avocado pairs well with asparagus, lemons, limes, olives, as in black olives, and also oranges. Imagine that. In the way of grains, asparagus pairs well with breadcrumbs, noodles, pasta, polenta, quinoa, rice, whole grains such as barley and couscous and farro. In the dairy department, including non-dairy, we've got butter and browned butter, cheese, cream cheese, crème fraiche, Parmesan cheese, and yogurt. In the other category, there's honey, mayonnaise, oil, vinaigrette, vinegar, and dry white wine. And in addition to all these, asparagus has been used in custards. That may help you out. French cuisine, pizza. How about topping pizza with it? Quiche, risotto, salads, souffles, stir fries, vegetarian sushi, and vegetable tarts. So hopefully this information helps you out and gives you a little bit of ideas on something different to do with asparagus. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye now.